Insulated sleeve bearings are specialized bearings designed to electrically insulate a rotating shaft from its housing, preventing electrical currents from passing through the bearing. Parts of insulated sleeve bearings. Insulation. The insulation layer, typically made of a non-conductive material like ceramic, is the central component that provides electrical isolation between the shaft and the housing. Drain groove. This is a feature in the bearing that allows any moisture or contaminants to escape, preventing damage to the bearing's internal components. Alloy surface. The bearing's inner surface is often coated with a special alloy, which provides the necessary lubrication and reduces friction between the shaft and the bearing. Oil drain holes. These holes facilitate the proper lubrication of the bearing, ensuring smooth operation and reducing wear and tear. Flesh ring. The flesh ring is a part of the bearing that helps to maintain its lubrication within the housing. Upper and lower halves. Some insulated sleeve bearings are designed in two halves that can be separated for installation or maintenance. The upper and lower halves fit together to encase the shaft.